energy and you can take it. There's early voting right now at libraries. People have already registered, registered in their administration, but I just encourage everybody to send some because we need to make sure that we can vote. We work with a lot of local organizations to do that, including Democracy on Town, many churches, and the other community centers like American Foundation, really strong movement and calling people to take that. As far as STIs, 85% of women who die from cervical cancer is caused by HPV infection. No one has so we want to encourage women to have Latinos have the highest rate of cervical cancer among all race and ethnicity, and the closest likely is non-Hispanic white women who have cervical cancer. African American women have the highest mortality rate. More than 85% of women who die from cervical cancer have not had so we are trying to reduce the healthcare disparities. So the raising awareness of the importance of women and something else that we have been working really hard for is there's an unintentional mistake the Congress made in 2007 that caused a lot of community organizations and university health clinics to have a rise in cost of drugs. College students have seen birth control cost rise from $5 to $50, meaning a lot of them can't afford it, meaning a lot of them are needing emergency protection. It's also a good time for them to it has disproportionately affected 1,370 college and university health clinics and 3 million undergraduate students. It has also so we'll pitch into this as an easy fix. So that's something that we're advocating for. So our main advocacy we've done in Charlotte is secret shopping where we went to different pharmacies around the city. Some pharmacies and some pharmacists are not stocking, may have stocking more birth control pills on a moral basis. We did secret shopping and we went in and asked if they had it. We found that 7 out of 10 pediatric Charlotte did not have them. And it's concentrated, meaning it's 120 hours is the longest you can wait to after having under the so if you're having to shop around for it, or if you don't have transportation to get on, that's really when it's technically. So we went to the national office and the U.S. corporate office and the policy center has to be changed. They have to always have citizens emergency access and knowing that results at every initiative. And that was because of the work that we showed for our volunteers. So we are that's just an example of some of the stuff we're doing to get the word out and support the medical services, the education, support everybody having access to these for we want to prevent new corporations to get prevent all of that does.
I'll add one thing to what Lisa was saying, though, is that this country has wasted $1.5 billion on abstinence-only education, which is run through the federal government. As of the last count, 25, half of our 50 states have realized what often the state that wasn't withdrawn from the federal program. North Carolina is not one of those because of political actions here, etc. So, am I on C4? We have to be very careful. We're a 501c3 here. That's what we do in development, and nonprofit, etc. We cannot advocate for political candidates, etc. So we vote for it. But Planned Parenthood Health Systems does have a C4, which is a local action arm, which can tell people who to vote for, who to endorse, and whatever, and that's how we told them to do that through the website or whatever. So I won't tell you what to do. I just will say this, that this is an incredibly important election coming up. It will not only affect immediate policies, as far as not only women's rights, and people have asked me all the time, you're an old white guy, why are you involved in this? Well, I have two sons at college age, and that's one reason I'm involved. But the other reason is that if you're not free, I'm not free. And that's, I was raised in an activist family, and that's the philosophy I've always thought we should have done. So it's not women's rights, it is human rights. We have the right to our bodies, to our choices, and the incredible array of problems that will come out of. When I said it's not the short term, we have 1 to 3 Supreme Court positions that will become vacant probably in the next 4 years. And the nominees of that, I just want to told my 19-year-old who's doing family service, he's going to vote for the first time. And I said, these decisions, this is not, I'll be dead and some of these decisions will still be affecting your life in the Supreme Court, but that's the law. So, any questions? These great questions.
Okay, what is the difference between the health department and you all?
Well, the health department, the health division, they're like a doctor's office. That's what they do. You go there just like you go to your doctor. We are the information people. We're supposed to kind of let folks know about Planned Parenthood and raise money for different services. I have no medical training or whatever. It's just like trying to get the word out about Planned Parenthood, raise our profile in the community, and advocate for safety.
Are you asking what is the difference between Mecklenburg County Health Department and Planned Parenthood?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The difference is Mecklenburg County Health Department is an agency of the county of Mecklenburg County. They operate on county funding.
Okay.
So they can offer free services through county funding. We are a nonprofit organization, not part of the county, not part of any state or local government. Is that a way to describe it?
No,
Yeah.
Okay.
We're completely freestanding. We pay our own bills.
Yeah, we're not linked to them whatsoever.
Okay.
We refer to them, though, because they are able to offer free services. So if there are people who we can't help, and they can, then obviously the goal is to get everybody the services they need. So
Okay.
we would refer to them as the two totally separate.
So if someone, if you go ahead and
Yeah.
really trying to really no period, no mistake, nothing. So if a young child, say 17, 18, they have to have that.
They do not.
They do not.
No, they don't. In North Carolina, this family planning law, it's not a Planned Parenthood, that teens of any age can access reproductive health care and birth control in the family without their parents' permission and without their parents' notification, totally confidentially, at any age. So, they have to be reproductive age, so let's say 12 and up, But, that's to get birth control or have an exam or whatever. To obtain an abortion is different. To obtain an abortion in North Carolina, you do need to be 18 years old. If you're younger than that, there is a parental consent law, so you need to involve a parent. However, we do have judicial bypass system in North Carolina, where let's say the 16-year-old becomes pregnant, wants to terminate the pregnancy, really feels like she can't involve the parent for whatever reason. There are lots of times when they really feel like that wouldn't even be a safe or healthy thing for them to do. They could go before a judge, one-on-one, the patient and the judge, the teen and the judge, and plead their case, and the judge would make the decision whether or not they could do it without parental involvement. And that's free to them to do. But again, it's another step where they have to arrange that and get transportation and be, be confident enough to go through that whole process. It also just delays things. It's time. It's taken away.